G'day people, happy Aussie Day. Now what better way to celebrate than to play with an Australian native species. Here we have the southwestern carpet python. Now this snake in particular is a little bit bitey. I'm going to try and get her out. She's in an almost impossible position to get her out without getting bitten. But we'll have a go. Hopefully get her out without getting bitten. Take the whole branch out here. As you can see, she's not too much of a fan of cooperating. You just got to watch your face. But once she's out, she's not too bad. Hang her greenery back up there. That'll be right there. We'll pause it there and take her out in the sun.